Panic and fear gripped Halur village in Hassan district on September 30, 2025, after a suspicious explosion ripped through a residential house, leaving a couple critically injured. The sudden blast shook the quiet neighborhood, sending shockwaves across the community. Eyewitnesses reported a loud noise followed by smoke and debris, as residents rushed out of their homes in fear and confusion. According to initial reports, the injured couple was immediately rushed to the Hassan district hospital, where doctors have confirmed their condition to be critical. Emergency teams, including the police, fire department, and forensic experts, quickly reached the spot and began an investigation into the cause of the explosion. While the exact reason remains unclear, authorities have not ruled out possibilities such as a gas cylinder blast, an electrical short circuit, or even foul play. The force of the explosion was so intense that nearby houses felt the impact, with glass panes shattering and walls developing cracks. Residents described the scene as terrifying, with many fearing a larger disaster. Local officials have urged people to remain calm while assuring that a thorough probe is underway. The site has been cordoned off as forensic experts collect samples to determine whether the explosion was accidental or if there were suspicious materials stored inside the house. Security measures in the area have been heightened, and senior district officials are monitoring the situation closely. This tragic incident highlights the urgent need for stricter safety awareness, particularly in residential zones where gas cylinders, electrical wiring, or other flammable substances may pose hidden dangers. For the people of Halur, however, the immediate concern is the health and recovery of the injured couple, as the community rallies around them in support. As of now, the cause of the explosion remains a mystery. Authorities have appealed to the public to avoid spreading rumors until official findings are released. Stay with us for exclusive updates, live reports, and on-ground reactions from Hassan as the investigation unfolds.